that update video again. She's coming out today. I have to rebuild the bracket for my surge take up front. Was gonna rewire the whole car, but thinking now with not changing the roll cage and just adding bars to it, we'll be all right. Can't wait to put this in. The guys at Smith Racecraft, very, very nice stuff. Everything just nice. I don't even think I'm gonna paint it. I'm gonna clear it, put it in, let it look all raw metalish. But yeah, I'd like to get that in today. Start slimming down my parts laying around. So that new steering column in too. Not fully bolted in yet, but much nicer than what I had before. So yeah, that's pretty much it, I think. Sitting pretty over there. Yeah, I'll be probably do like some kind of time lapse, swapping this out, and then go from there. Enjoy. Alrighty. Got plenty of room to work now. Whew. Didn't know the battery died. Gotta cut that off still. Maybe make a new bracket. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Anyways, we'll keep going. a lot better to me. And goes in way easier than it looks. Hell yeah. All right, gone about as far as I can go today. Got to get some different bolts for where the lower the lower control arm goes through, so it doesn't get into the boot for the rack and pinion. I'm waiting on a different spring compressor, and I'll have to cut my steering. There's a U-joint that came with it to put it together. I think that's, I mean, other than, you know, little things, I got to redo my brakes. I can actually put my line lock down here on the frame now instead of up on the top. I got to redo that brake line the way it comes out for the rear. And it's a good start anyway. Just a pain in the ass going to get stuff because, you know, got to go wait in line to get in a store, and, you know, good old coronavirus. Anyways, if I get at it tomorrow, we'll keep it going. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. We did what we did with a stock car. I think we start doing the little things like this. She's gonna get in the 7s for sure. After that, I'm not 100% sure. Got to draw a line somewhere. I don't want to make it a full trailer queen. And I like my old blower. I ain't changing the turbos or nothing else, so she is what she is.